In this video, I'll be telling you how to turn on call screening on your iPad. So to do that, you can do it on your mobile or as well as your iPad. Just go to your settings. And now look for the phone app. Just go to apps. Look for phone app. And now scroll down, and in screen unknown callers, you have to choose this option called ask reason for calling. Once you choose this option, your call screening will be on, and now the Siri will ask the caller for their name and reason before your iPhone rings, and silence to send them straight to the voicemail, and filtering out spam and unknown callers or unknown numbers. So yeah, this is a really great feature. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.